Hi, in this video I will show how to use desktop application for formatting JSON files. On my computer I have a one-line JSON, which is basically a JSON file. Let's open it with Notepad. You can see that it's just everything in one line, everything, and if you want to edit or change anything, it's kind of problem because you have to find where it is. I can open it into Json Viewer. It's just free apps that shows what is inside JSON and try to flatten structure into table and just present it to, as a table data. So you can see it has all states information from Alabama to Wyoming with state name, state code, region, subregion. I will leave a link on this app, so maybe useful. It also can export into different formats. But I will show you how to transform, format this online JSON into more readable JSON file. In order to do this, I will download application from my website. This is my website. I will click on search and type JSON converters and click on Json Formatter and click on download to start downloading process. I'll be recording more videos on JSON format, so if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. You can see application has been downloaded. I'll click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI inside the archive to start installation, click on more info here. And I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. I'll just click run anyway to start installation, click on next install, click on yes, and click on finish on final screen. And you can see application has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. And I can close this and minimize this and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. Step 1, we will select JSON files we want to convert. So let's find this one line JSON, select it, click on open, click on next. No conversion options here yet, just click on next. On final step 3, I can preview JSON and you can see it has been formatted into nice JSON format with all indentation and everything, all save result as a JSON file. It will ask me for name and location of the file. This name and location is okay, just click save. And let's go and see our file. I can open it in Notepad just to show it to you. Right click, open with Notepad. And you can see it has been formatted. Now if I want to change some data, for example, like Colorado, I can see it, I can change here and save the file and or understand the structure of the file. And I can also open it to Json Viewer and you can see it's showing the same data here from all states from Alabama to Wyoming. So yeah, basically that's it. Also this application can be executed, let me open it, can be executed from command line. I can do it in this way, like you can just copy and paste it into command line and change your file JSON, or you can create a batch files that would convert all files into current folder and format them accordingly. And you can schedule if you need to, like to process files on some schedule that coming into some folder. You can do this as well. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Thank you.